Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, so we're under 2 minutes to the FOMC decision. I don't think this is going to move us too much. I think the press conference afterwards is probably more what they're looking for. But going into it, where are we at now? We are
34.5.
Okay, so 34 and a half. So we're on the support of the last couple of days. We have a lot of moving averages that line up here. So technically, it should hold. But if we get a jerk down, June will probably go. The June in the cash market will go to 25 and below 25. It'd probably stall out in the 42.10 area, which is also where we have one of our strikes. Personally, I feel it's going to float around here. It might pop back up to 50 just because very little volume seems to do wonders these days. Under a minute to go, and let's see what happens. What are the wings trading for right now?
We made right now the low today of looks like 22.5, and we just went back down. We're ticking down 18.25, 14.25.
Okay,
looks
so the
like
numbers
out.
Okay, what's the low?
Where
are we at?
Now we're trying on. We're trading 16, 15, 14, 15, trading 14 to 16 range. Now market stabilizing, moving the other way, going up to 18, down to 14. Back, now we're sellers again, down to 10, 11, 12.
10, 11. Okay, let's get ready to add the next layer onto this.
Okay. Market is under 10.
Okay, to the next level. So you're going to be doing the 42.10 put and below 1, just so we have a lot of room in case it wants to go down.
Okay, you just broke out now.
Yeah, you just broke out.
Now we're doing 10 for
10,
we're selling
actually,
42 10 put.
do 10 versus 50. 42.10 versus 41.50 call. 41.50
There is
call
no
versus...
market on 41.50 call. Well, actually,
there will be if you put an order in. Realize that it's worse.
We got filled. Okay.
Hold it.
Now, without the market,
where's the last price in the futures?
8.
Okay, so it's worth. So if it's 8.5, then it's 58.5 is the bid, and then add whatever premiums on the other side. So 41.50 has a put out there that's probably 20 cents or something. So basically,
it's right now a dollar.
Okay, so then add a buck onto whatever the last price is. So if it's 08, make it offer 59. If it's 07, right offer 58. What's last? You got to go fast.
14 is
14,
last.
so sell 15.
So
sell 65. 65.
What am I selling?
So I'm starting with 67, sold one at 67.
Okay, so 41.50 call, selling one at 60. Whatever the last price is in the June futures, add a buck.
And so, okay, 67. Now you can do it at 69, 68. Put at 68.
What? 68?
41.50 call, 68.
41.50 call, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put down to 67. Where did you sell?
No, not yet.
Okay. Now you have to put it down on 65.
65?
You gotta move.
Yeah.
Fast,
65
fast
sold. Now go on the other side. 42.10 put, sell 72.25.
42.10 put, $7.25 or
$7.25. Put at 8. Put one at $8.
At 8?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, go down to 7.25.
It says rejected.
Why is it
Put
rejected?
down on 750s. 42.
Why is it rejected? Is it different? That means you're filled. Rejected too late, filled? What does it say rejected for what reason?
4210, it says order contract unknown.
4210 put?
Put.
Yeah.
4210 put. Okay, go look up the option and then
field.
put it back in. Remember, she's using a platform that's a little dated.
Yeah,
So,
it should be Wednesday, week 3.
whatever you did on the 4110 call, paste that in there, change the C to a P, change the 4150 to 4210, and it should pop up with a thing.
I did week 3. Okay.
Okay,
4210,
now
it's at the money put, so it's got to be there. Where is the market now? Futures are
market right now $10. Put it at
Okay.
$10.
So 41,
4250 50 put.
4210 put. 4210 put.
4210 put. You already got filled on the 4150 call, correct?
Okay,
Correct.
yeah.
Okay.
Put
so
it
now you got
at
what price?
850. 850.
8.5.
850.
Okay. Igor, where's futures? Where are we at?
14, 13.
Okay, 14, 13. All right, let's see if this area holds.
14.
Because this.
Oh,
what,
did you sell 850?
Yeah.
You sold. Okay.
good.
So now, guys, because remember I'm in a car, so I can't see you. So you collected 65. What did you guys get on the call?
Okay, we got $60 spread, and she collected better. I collected 14 and a quarter.
14 and a quarter over.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna screenshot. Can you look at this?
Check her position real quick and see if
Looking.
it looks.
I can try.
Well, I don't see anything.
I just sent it.
Where?
In the other signal.
Skype signal. I don't see it in the signal.
Okay, well, Vivian, just read it to him. You sold the 4150 call at what price?
65.
Okay, you sold the 4210 put at what price?
850.
So you got what did you get? $13.
73. Yeah.
73. So you got $13 over. Good. He got $14 over or something, whatever. All right. So now calculate our next problem zone. So you got 4150 plus 40. What?
Hang on, market up to 24.
Okay. Well, right now, come back to where we're at. 4210 minus 4150 gives our downside risk area has been moved to what price?
Down?
4150 plus 4210 divides into 2 equals what price?
60 divided by 2, it's 35 plus 3 is 8, 4180.
4180 on the downside. Upside, 4110 plus 95 is 90 was what? 4290 plus 4210 divided into 2 equals what?
250.
Why are you
4210 plus 4290
40, so 42
okay, what is the
$40
call and the $80 put? 180 put, 240 call. What are those prices?
I'm sorry, what?
What is the $40 call and the 180 put? 240 call, 180 put. What are those things? Now you want to cover your risk.
240 call is 3 and a quarter.
Okay, so 3 and a quarter. You can buy 2 of those. You just collected $14. Buy 2 of those. Now and once you do that, buy the put. $40 call is your risk on the upside. You're going to cover your risk, and then you're going to cover.
We need to buy 50 call, but we need to buy 50.
Well, why do you need to buy the 50 call? You just told me it was the 40 call. I asked you what was the 90 plus the 10 divided into 2. What's the number? That's 90 plus 10 divided
50.
into 2.
50.
50. Then buy the 50. Okay.
So
you said 40 before.
Gotta
go quick.
Buy the 4250 call.
2 of them. Buying them.
Buying 2, working 180. Got a 150, 185. Bought to a 185.
180 put down below. You told me 180 was your downside risk level from 4150 plus 4210 divided into 2 is 4180. What is the 180 put?
90 at $1
By 2.
Working the dollar.
Okay, now you guys are done. And
Buy two of the 40.
180 put. 180 put buys 2. You got 7 minutes before a press conference starts, which can jerk the thing anywhere.
That's $1 right now.
Whatever it is, buy 2. You just collected $14. Don't be stingy.
Okay.
Okay, are we done?
Let's just double check.
Okay.
What's the 41? The put again at right now?
Buy it at the market. It's only gonna be 10
Market.
cents more. Buy it at the market. Don't dick around when you have a risk coming. So, okay. So now, you guys, let's go through the numbers so everyone understands where you're at, because right now you have a 0 risk position. So, you collected originally last night somewhere around $4.50, $4 for the 4110 versus the $45. Very good. So you got $5 for 4110 versus 4290. Just now you did 4150 versus 4110 as another spread. You collected somewhere around $13. So you got 18 bucks in cash. Now your adjusted position for the day is a 2-lot position of the 4180 versus 4250, and you covered the wings. So you paid out just now, from what I'm hearing, about $4 in cash. Is that right?
Close to it, yeah.
Okay, let's say $5. So you got $5 you paid out. You collected about 18. You're net up 13 on the day. So you're good. Now we just want to. The ideal number for us to finish out the day where we make the most money is 42.10. So, and currently we are what price?
20. 42.20.
Okay, so worst case scenario, at the end of the day, we may get stuck with a futures position, but we'll see what happens as we go. 5 minutes till the press conference. Right now, basically, we don't do anything. We don't do anything.
Do you still have the 4210 put at 10 cents?
You don't need
to buy
cancel
that?
Yeah,
okay, so just cancel that. Okay.
Cancel all the working orders.
Yeah, any working orders, yeah. So right now, nothing to do until we get to the end of the day. In 4 minutes, you have the press conference. If the market goes to $1 billion or it goes down to whatever, you're covered. So it doesn't matter. You're on autopilot.
Now, by the way, with those stating $10 bid orders, you should probably be filled on all of them, but it doesn't matter because they're out of the money. So it's extra 20 cents you spend.
If you got filled. So
I got filled.
You did? Okay. All right, so we're done for now. Wrap your video. You are covered. You have no open risk. We will make open position at the end. We're going to adjust the open position at the end of the day because remember, above or below 42.10, we have a future. Okay?
Right.
Get back to you shortly. Any big moves, let me know. Talk to you later.
Well done.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.